We're here today on a very exciting day for us and for our future. We're at the Rollalong factory here in Dorset, and we're here to launch our first factory-built home, one of many that we hope will support our development future.
Rollalong is a design and build manufacturer that will take the entire process as a turnkey operation through. So initially we'll be creating the designs, in this instance in residential, to come up with a suite of standardised house designs that mirror the Magna standard portfolio of houses.
That's your kitchen, that's your hallway, your front door.
I'm Paul Reed, Head of Development at Magna. So I've kind of hosted today with Steve Chivers from Rollalong. Very much the day's just been about getting board members, other interested organisations to come along and to have a look at the factory process.
During the factory visit, we will be taking clients down the panel line initially, followed by taking them down the main line to witness the floor frame being erected, the wall panels going on, and the ceiling frame to construct the overall module. We're then going to finish with a tour of the demonstration house so they can see the final product.
So the perception we were trying to get is that people go, oh, but it's just a house. It's actually a really nice house. And that's what we've achieved today.
I think if I hadn't known it was a pre-built building, I'd never have guessed it. It just looks like a normal, traditionally built house.
But the home you can see behind me is 4 modules bolted together. It looks just like a normal house.
Being inside, it just feels like an ordinary house that you've gone to see. And I think any family really moving into here would be really pleased.
So whilst we have a suite of 16 standardised house designs, we have the opportunity on the external facade to change to a brick slip solution, to change to a rendered panel solution, a timber-clad solution.
You can make this house look ultra-modern, you can make it look ultra-traditional, you can put chimneys on it, you can do all sorts of things to make it really fit into whichever community you're trying to help meet their housing needs.
We have absolute control in the factory environment of quality, safety, sustainability in terms of waste and recycle accordingly. So we're able to store circa 300-400 modules at any one time. So we have the ability to build to stock and build at volume. And for us, it's all about repetition and volume to really drive those efficiencies through in the factory.
And we're truly looking at the future here. You can see from the quality of this building just what MMC can achieve and why social landlords are looking at MMC as a solution going forward.
From what I've seen, I'd be totally comfortable recommending this as a way forward to help us achieve our aim, which is providing great homes for people. We already have the Magna standard. We're keen to do better than the minimum in all ways, and this certainly helps us meet that aim.
I think that we're going through a paradigm switch in the sense that we're moving away from a construction-based sector more towards a manufacturing-based sector. Digital technology, automation is happening, and it's just really exciting and pleasing to see that that's now the very best of that technology is being applied to the housing sector.
The idea that you can produce a product that's quality controlled, that you can then take from a factory setting and put up on site and be occupied, say within 4 weeks of starting to build it on site, to me is just great.
We're aware there's a high level of demand out there, and this is a means of bringing forward buildings a lot faster than we could do by a traditional method of building.
And we are very proud to be working with Rollalong to achieve that. I think it's something very, very special, and I think it really puts us ahead of the game, and it's a real bonus for the region and for Dorset in particular.